Hello friends, welcome to Global Studio YouTube channel. In this video we will learn how to measure a part without using a measure tools. Normally we will measure the part using measure tool in evaluate tab. We are selecting measure option and then we are selecting the two edges of the part, and as you can see here it is showing the normal distance for us. This is how we are measuring the part. There is one more option is available to measure the part. You don't have to use this measure option at all. To measure the part, simply select the two edges of the part. And as you can see here downside, the normal distance, it is showing 50 mm, and also the model is showing the 50 mm dimension here. So it is matching. So this is how you can measure the dimension of the part. Now if you want to measure the distance of the edge, select the edge and it is saying length is 90 mm. If you want to measure the diameter of the hole, select this edge. As you can see here, diameter is 10 mm. And also it is telling the coordinates. You can also measure the diameter of the circle by selecting the cylindrical surface of this feature. As you can see, the diameter is 10 mm, but it will not show you the coordinates. If you want to measure the center distance of these two circles, select the two circles and it is showing the distance between the circle centers is 49.24. If you select the two circles of this side, it will show 40 mm as a distance between the center of the circles. So this is how you can measure the part easily without using the measure tool. And that's all guys for this video. I hope you guys learned this trick properly. Thank you for watching. If you guys like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe and share the video. Thank you once again. We'll meet again in the next video with the new tips and tricks. Bye bye.